What's good, YouTube? We back. Really not too much going on, but mine's on the way still. I seen what y'all said in the comments. Got the headers on the way. But yeah, we're finna do a little POV, but I'm on the way to Atlanta Motor Speedway NASCAR event. Got the Cup Series coming up. Cup Series today. So, we gonna check that out. Y'all just ride with me, catch a POV. I said a POV. A POV view of what I see with the 85. So y'all can get the first drive. I already drove on it for a minute. I like it, but it still surprised me every freaking time. Like, it's crazy how fast this stuff can be just with an intake in E85. So shout out to Lon. They did their thing, man. So I'm gonna let y'all see this. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is my first time going up here, bro. I ain't gonna even lie. So we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, what y'all waiting on is for this ride. We're gonna see what this E85 talking about. Craziest thing, I haven't ran into nobody yet. Like, I'm trying to get a comparison for the 85 versus stock. My homeboy, he don't want to run with me. He got a Mustang, he got an X550. And he don't want to run. He said, man, I don't want to run. You on 85, you gotta wait till I get to him. I'm saying, man, come on. Just trying to get a comparison, but it's all good. Just gonna get a pool and everything. See what they talking about. My other homeboy, he got a Hellcat, so we're just gonna do what y'all mostly gonna see is comparisons towards the Hellcat versus mine. So every time I add a new build on there, it's gonna be up against a Hellcat. So may lose a couple times, but hey, it's gonna get faster and faster. The progression is gonna get better and better every time. So let me get to this open road on Atlanta Motor Speedway. The race started at 3 o'clock. We're gonna get there at 3:09. So we're gonna see what this thing talking about. I'll catch y'all back when I get back. So we're gonna turn it over real quick, see what we get. Show y'all everything, how we going with the E85, bro. Soft pull. I ain't gonna do it off the dig. I'm gonna roll into it, do a little soft pull. You know what I mean? Like, once I get past the light or something, I'm just gonna rip it up, open it up. Yeah. But yeah, on the way there, had to get earplugs. Everybody kept talking about, bro, you need your earplugs. I got the seats closest to the fence. First time going. I know this ain't like a basketball game or something like that. It's gonna be loud as crap, but I want to get a full effect, full experience on the first time. So we're gonna get a fucking wide open throttle. She's a runner, she's a track star. Oh, I gotta get over. She was rolling. Now I ain't gonna lie to you. She was rolling. Boy. She was just rolling. But yeah, man, we gonna keep it going with the mods, man. I got the headers. I'm finna go grab the headers. So next is I'm gonna get a ported intake. So next is a ported intake. After that, let me know what I need before I start getting the tires and stuff. I know I need a suspension, but I want to finish this engine mods first. I want to finish a little minor stuff to the engine mods, because suspension, since I got a performance package, I probably won't need too much, but it's not gonna be as much as probably the engine. I can probably tell you that. But if y'all let me know, y'all know. So we're gonna see how that goes, man. But just full on, trying to turn it to a full on race car, just like Steeder's Silver Bullet, somewhat similar. Trying to have it running, man. But they started out with a base GT 2018. Mine's 2019 performance package. So I got a little bit more mods I can play with without spending too much money. Cause hey, we still fresh in the subscribers. Hey man, y'all slap a like too, man, on this. Try to get me up to about, we started small, so get me up to like 50 likes. I love it. I ain't hit 50 yet, but get me up to like 50 likes. Y'all can do that for me. Yeah, shit, we up to subscribers. I'm trying to get 100 before this new week, fresh week over. 100 subscribers. Just trying to grow it, man. Start off from the bottom. Start off from scratch. Cause hey, I'm trying to do this, man. Get this thing going. And y'all let me know what y'all want to see too, cause ain't too much. My circle's small, so I'm trying to branch out, trying to learn new stuff, trying to meet new people with this in the car world. So ain't too much going on. So let me know what y'all want to see, and we sure gonna do it. Let me know who you want to race. Let me know you want to see everything. Cause I'm building this car. With everybody that's subscribing right now, that's coming and let me know what they want on the car. This gonna be our something. This is our car. Whatever y'all ask for, we put it on there. We're gonna make it fast as possible. We're running it up. So let me know what y'all want. I ain't trying to run the slow police in that though. Oh yeah, my dude just texted me too. He told me let's race for 500. He trying to race me for $500. Cause he finally tuned his car. He ain't want to run that other than that. Now he want to run. Tell him, shoot, we with it. I'm good. We gonna run it. So y'all might see that content coming because he want to do a little grudge race. What he mods he got. Just know, I ain't staying just regular tune and everything. I'm finna go get my headers. I'm finna win. I take the seat out and everything. I don't like to lose. So matter of fact, while you doing that, I'm finna go ahead and just grab the porta intake, tune it again. Cause we ain't trying to lose. E85 is crazy. Yeah, that motherfucker. I don't know, but that was crazy. That was a hard pull. That was crazy. I couldn't even control the camera with that one, bro. Not even gonna lie to you. That was crazy. But yeah, we almost there. I think really 10 minutes away. Yeah, legit 10 minutes away. Still haven't called anybody, still ain't seen nobody. Really, everybody driving in their dailies. So ain't nobody really outside. Got a Chrysler over here. That sound like he's straight piped. He kind of heavy though, so you know he don't want this. He don't want this medicine. He got his little lady in the car with him. So yeah, he don't want this heavy dose. I might hit him with some. He's like, hey, what's up under your hood? None is stock, bro. We are stock, buddy. We're a stock bucket rail. But yeah, really ain't seen nobody. But we almost there. Straight shot. Got some footage when we get there. out here today, boy. It's my first time coming out here, but this is crazy. They be camping and everything out here. This is wow. I ain't never been here. First time for everything. Hey.
Out of nowhere, it goes away. Be in that position next with the ADS rolling through and capitalize on the position. Right now, Greg allows see it. Keselowski in front. There goes Legato, where there's no way he can do it. But he does it. He gets out to the wall and he runs down the backstretch.
Boy, I'm not gonna lie. That was a good race. That was a crazy race. First time going. Shout out to Joey Logano. I'm a fan. He can drive. He can drive, bro. I swear. That man is crazy. Catch y'all boys. Thanks. Next one. Go. Go. It's a hump right here. bitch, nigga.
Bro, I'm scared, bro.
Hey, bro, you straight pussy, bro. This nigga got this long ass straight, bro. Nah, oh wait, no turn right here, man. This nigga straight.
Bro, I'm saying, bro.